Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we're all alone? Not just on our planet, but in our entire universe. It's a thought that has captivated thinkers for centuries, stretching from ancient philosophers to today's leading physicists. What if our universe, with its billions of galaxies and countless stars, is just one of many? This is the core idea behind the multiverse theory. The concept suggests that our universe is not unique, but is part of a much larger, grander collection of universes. Imagine a vast ocean, and our universe is just a single bubble floating within it. The multiverse theory proposes that there are countless other bubbles, each a universe in its own right, possibly with its own unique laws of physics. This isn't just a fun idea for science fiction stories. It emerges from some of our most advanced scientific theories. Several different models of the multiverse have been proposed, each stemming from a different area of physics. One of the most popular is the inflationary multiverse. This idea comes from the theory of cosmic inflation, which describes the incredibly rapid expansion of our universe moments after the Big Bang. According to this theory, the Big Bang wasn't a one-time event. Instead, the process that sparked our universe, called eternal inflation, is happening all the time, constantly creating new universes or pocket universes. Think of it like a cosmic soda machine that never stops fizzing. Each fizz is a new universe popping into existence, separate from all the others. This means that an unimaginable number of universes could be out there, each born from its own Big Bang. The number of these universes could be infinite, constantly budding off from the fabric of spacetime. Another fascinating concept is the brain multiverse, which comes from string theory. String theory suggests that the fundamental components of reality are not particles, but tiny, vibrating strings of energy. This theory also requires the existence of extra dimensions beyond the three spatial dimensions we experience. In this framework, our entire universe could be a three-dimensional brain, short for membrane, floating in a higher dimensional space called the bulk. Imagine our universe as a single slice of bread in a much larger loaf. The brain multiverse model suggests there could be other parallel brains, other universes, floating just a tiny distance away from ours in another dimension. These parallel universes could be incredibly close, yet we would be completely unaware of their existence because we are confined to our own three-dimensional brain. It's a mind-bending idea that opens up a whole new way of thinking about reality. Then there's the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This is perhaps one of the most bizarre and thought-provoking ideas in all of science. Quantum mechanics, the theory that governs the subatomic world, is famously weird. It tells us that particles can exist in multiple states at once, a state called superposition. It's only when we measure or observe the particle that it chooses one definite state. The many worlds interpretation offers a radical solution to this puzzle. It proposes that the particle doesn't just choose one state. Instead, every time a quantum measurement is made, the universe splits. Each possible outcome of the measurement happens, but in its own separate, newly created universe. So, if a particle could be in state A or state B, the universe splits into two branches. In one universe, it's in state A. In the other, it's in state B. This means that every single quantum event, happening trillions of times per second all across the cosmos, is causing the universe to branch into a near infinite number of parallel realities. In one universe, you decided to watch this video. In another, you scrolled past it. In yet another, you might be an accomplished artist or a celebrated scientist. Every choice you could have made has been made in some parallel world. The number of these parallel universes would be staggering, far beyond our ability to comprehend. It suggests a reality that is constantly branching and expanding, creating a vast, intricate tree of timelines. So, how many universes could there be? The honest answer is that we don't know for sure. The numbers proposed by these theories are astronomical. Some models, like the inflationary multiverse, suggest a number that is finite, but so large it's practically infinite for all intents and purposes. We're talking about a number written as 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 million. To put that into perspective, the number of atoms in our observable universe is estimated to be around 10 to the power of 80. The number of potential universes in some multiverse models makes that number look minuscule. Other theories, like the many worlds interpretation, suggest a truly infinite number of universes, with new ones being created with every passing quantum moment. The question then becomes, if these other universes exist, can we ever detect them? This is the biggest challenge for multiverse theories. By their very nature, these other universes are separate from our own. However, some scientists believe there might be ways to find indirect evidence. For instance, if our universe collided with another brain world in the distant past, it might have left a detectable signature in the cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is the afterglow of the Big Bang, and astronomers have mapped it in incredible detail. Some researchers have looked for unusual cold or hot spots in this map that could be a bruise from a cosmic collision. So far, the evidence is inconclusive, but the search continues. Proving the existence of the multiverse is one of the greatest challenges in modern physics. It requires pushing the boundaries of what we can observe and what we can even imagine. Even if we can't directly visit or see these other universes, the mathematical frameworks that predict them are our best tools for understanding the cosmos. The multiverse isn't just a wild guess. It's a consequence of theories that have been incredibly successful in explaining the universe we do see. For example, cosmic inflation does a fantastic job of explaining why our universe is so uniform and flat. The existence of a multiverse is a natural extension of that successful theory. Similarly, string theory is one of the most promising candidates for a theory of everything, a single framework that can unite quantum mechanics and general relativity. The multiverse is a key feature of that framework. Whether our universe is a lone bubble or one of countless others in a cosmic foam, the quest to understand our place in the cosmos is a journey that continues to inspire and challenge us. The idea that countless other realities might exist, each with its own story, its own stars, and perhaps even its own life, is a profound and humbling thought. It expands our definition of existence itself. It pushes us to keep asking the big questions and to never stop exploring the incredible, mysterious reality we find ourselves in. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration of the multiverse, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe and beyond. For more amazing content, follow Space Repo.